The Genesis account of creation states that God formed the heaven and the earth in 6 days. He rested on the seventh day and made it holy. Modern science gives us a contradictory view, cutting God out of the equation entirely. Some theorize that around 14 billion years ago, a giant explosion caused everything we see around us to form. This idea is commonly known as the Big Bang Theory. One of the inherent problems with the Big Bang Theory is that it doesn't explain the origin of the universe. It only theorizes how the universe took on its current shape. The respected Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics asks, where did all the stuff in the universe come from in the first place? They don't propose an answer because science has none. The Bible, on the other hand, gives a simple, easy to understand explanation. In the beginning, God created it. Around the world, most public schools are teaching the Big Bang Theory as fact. This is not only incredibly biased, but it is an extremely dangerous concept that leads us away from the truths regarding our Creator. It leads us away from the truths of Scripture. If we allow educators to convince us that the first chapter of the Bible is only a failed attempt by man to document the history of the universe, then how do we distinguish what parts of the Bible to believe as fact and what parts to disregard as mere fables? 2 Peter warns, "Beware lest ye also, being led away with the error of the wicked, fall from your own steadfastness." Compromise is not the answer. Please stand with me in supporting and defending the literal truths of the Bible. We must not be led astray by unproven scientific theory. Will we believe the Bible, or will we accept non-biblical theory as fact? In the words of King David, it is better to trust in the Lord than to put confidence in man. I'm David Rives. Truly, the heavens declare the glory of God.
David Rives Ministries presents The Heavens Declare the Glory of God, an exciting 1-hour DVD, now available in the WorldNet Daily Superstore. By way of deep sky photography and common sense terminology, the mysteries of the universe unfold in a manner that is easily understood. Great things past finding out, yea, and wonders without number.